Hi and welcome back to another video. Today I just want to share with you some footage of a recent small job I completed, whereas I had to relocate a 55-inch TV from one wall to another wall. We ran into a couple of minor obstacles, but if you stick around for the entire video, I'll show you how we overcame them and you'll also get to see the final product. So we're going to be relocating this 55-inch TV from this wall over to this wall. You can see there's no electric, so we're going to be installing an EchoGear in-wall wire management kit, which is not only going to give us an outlet, but it's also going to give us a chase to run all our AV cables. Now, for the purpose of this video, I've already gone ahead, found the studs, and took all the measurements and marked the walls. Okay, you can see we have the mount on the wall. It's nice and level. We have the plug installed. And if you look at the bottom, you can see the other end of the EchoGear installation where it just plugs into a standard wall outlet. It supplies power up through the wall to the outlet right below the TV. You can also see I installed a cord because the optical cable for the soundbar was not long enough. So we'll get a longer one and be able to pull it through easily. So here's a look at the finished product. Well, almost finished product. You can see on the left the optical cable that wasn't long enough to pull through the wall. And if you look over to the right, just under the TV, you could see the cord that we left installed in the wall so that once we get the longer optical cable, we'll be able to pull it through easily. At that point, it'll be a finished, clean installation without any cables showing. So there you go. Now you see how we can hide the wires within the walls using the in-wall management kits. If you like this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Be sure to check out some of my other videos that I have listed here up above. Please remember to subscribe, like, and share this video. And I want to thank you, as I do in every video, for using the Amazon affiliate links. I know they don't change your price, but they do help out the channel. And if you'd like to support the channel in other ways, I do have links to my Patreon page and PayPal, along with a link to buy me a coffee down in the video description. Once again, my name is Tony with Quick Tech Solutions. As always, please stay safe. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you all next time.